Available for just under 1699 rupees, this is a OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. If you're in a hurry, I'll just summarize it. This has 5 things that are the best in this price segment, but this is missing one single thing that could have been added. It comes in this box. Inside this we have the buds. You have small and large extra ear tips, a user guide cum warranty safety guidelines, which actually does not have anything written. You have to scan a QR and get the user manual online, so I don't know why the paper is there, and one smiley sticker. So as I said, there are few things I liked and one thing I wish it had. The case is built differently. The edges are sharp. You have this OnePlus logo beveled inside this. Below you have the LED indicator, and at the bottom you have the Type-C port. Unfortunately, Type-C cable does not come inside the box. The case is snappy and it has a matte finish overall. So this doesn't wobble, and then when you take a look at the buds are also in the same matte finish, and the touch area is easy to find. It has an oval shaped ear tips. The one which is here is the medium one. As I said, the small and the large extra ear tips are inside the box. Just open this and then immediately it pairs with your phone. It does have the Google Fast Pair, and also you can download the Hey Melody app for customizing this TWS. One good thing about this TWS is its battery backup. Just put the buds in the case and let it be there for 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to listen without the case for around 8 hours. This is really great for people who work, those who are into meetings, calls, or even consuming content. In total, with the case you get around 54 hours of battery backup. Out of the box, the audio signature is kind of a spatial audio vibes. So basically, when you listen to the audio, you feel that the audio is kind of surrounded around you. So it's a mix of what is that? You get instruments from all around. The default tone is balanced, but there is a slight bass. Now there is this Hey Melody app which I told, right? In that, if you don't like bass, if you want a flat profile, you can choose the Serenade EQ, but the default one has little bit of bass. But if you are into that punchy bass kind of stuff, definitely you have to try the bass EQ. It really does increase the bass without making it muddy. I have to say the out-of-the-box signature is kind of basic because it has a 12.4mm dynamic driver, which is large. Even the Bluetooth connectivity, this has Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest, and it does support low latency or the gaming mode. It's a 47 millisecond mode. You can turn it on via the app. And also the buds are IP55 rated. Even when the buds are wet, the touch controls are working. If you have a laptop and a phone, you have to connect it together. It does support multi-device connectivity. Inside the app, actually you can see which all devices this earphone is connected with. Even the app has an option to find your earbuds. The microphones is great. It has the AI noise cancellation. Well, I will show you a sample and you can judge. The audio that you're listening to right now is being recorded by the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R's microphone. So this is the kind of call quality that you would be getting from these earbuds. Also, I like the fact that in the touch controls, when you tap and hold your right earbuds, the volume can increase. Tap and hold the left earbud, the volume does decrease. So you have the volume controls built into the buds, and yes, you can customize the single tap, double tap, triple tap, tap and hold to whatever way you want using the Hey Melody app. So as I said, for the price of 1699 or even below, you'll get it during the sale. This one has amazing sound quality, great mics, great battery life, and the build is also fine. The IP rating is there. Only thing that I found is missing in this is an active noise cancellation. Yes, this does not come with an active noise cancellation. It has a passive noise cancellation. But yeah, what I thought is from OnePlus for this price point, it's better to not compromise on the audio quality, build or battery backup just for putting an ANC that in this price range is just for a namesake. But again, if OnePlus was able to do it without compromising the sound, then that would have been great. But yes, you have other options that has great ANC. So I don't know. Even the in-ear detection is also missing in this TWS, but again, in the price point, I can't complain. Yeah, so that's my take on the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. You can check out the details from the link in the description or even in the product section if it's available. So if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing. Until next time, bye-bye.